podcast. Hello, good afternoon, teacher and classmates. A trip to the stars, the planets. Ancient people were very interested in stars. They noticed that some stars moved in the sky and the planets to the stars. The word planet means someone moves from one place to another. The ancients thought the planets very good flying that the sky. Planets are large, round objects that orbit the suns or stars. There are 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The planets are named after Greeks and Roman gods. Do you know what each god represents? Venus was the goddess of love. Mars was the goddess of war. Jupiter was the god of the gods. Saturn was the god of agriculture. Uranus was the god of the stars and the sky. Neptune was the god of the sea. Mercury was the god of messenger. Are some more fascinating facts about the planets? If the sun were a big cruise, Earth would be as big a melon and would be about 4 kilometers away from the sun. Jupiter would be as big as an elephant and 20 kilometers from the sun. Thank you.